TradingView is dead. It's not usable anymore. And if you're still using TradingView, please listen to me. Why you should stop using it and why you should start using Claude Code. I've been using TradingView for quite a few years. I've been using it to look at the market. I've been using it to show results of backtesting results to my friends. And in general, it's nice and visual tool to do all that stuff. However, it is not very good when it comes to the execution of the trades, with two-way integrations with your broker, with all this kind of stuff. It's not very good. And needless to say, it's not very good when actually retrieving the information from TradingView back to yourself. You need to read all the reports yourself and you need to analyze it. And this is where the bottleneck is. Because if you are the one who are pushing the information into the TradingView and you're actually the ones who are analyzing this information, then you are going to be falling behind badly. Because I've been using AI for the last couple of weeks to improve my strategy, and the performance is ridiculous. I've backtested more than 200 different variations. 200 variations I've tested vigorously, and I was not even the ones who actually was suggesting those variations. AI was the one who was suggesting those variations. So AI was analyzing what's happening in the market. AI was writing pretty much making theories. AI was writing the code for those theories. AI was backtesting those theories. AI was analyzing a report, and AI was fixing it. And it was iterating again and again and again and again and again. And in one day, it can test more strategy than a single person can write in an entire year. So, and right now, if you are still using TradingView, you need to rethink. Do you want to fall behind or you want to be ahead of the curve? If you want to be ahead of the curve, then you need to start using Claude Code. Claude Code, it is amazing. It is just great tool to use. It is fast, it's responsive, and it's very, very, very smart. And the context window is insane, which makes it an amazing tool for writing the code, for analyzing the results of the backtest, and for iterating it. And that's why I suggest to everyone to start using Claude Code. At least try to start using Claude Code and see if that's going to be working for you. The only reason why I started to use Claude Code for myself is because the performance of my portfolio was not good enough for me. That's why I decided maybe there's a different solutions nowadays which I'm missing out. And there was one after analyzing, playing around, and I found this solution. And the more I'm playing around with this, the more I'm falling in love with that, because the results are just mind-blowingly good. Because as you see here, I have a different strategies right now. I have my main strategy, which I improved threefold since I started backtesting it properly. Then on top of my strategy, I've added additional strategies, which are going to be adding additional revenue to my portfolio. And I've been doing that in the last couple of years. I have no plans to stop, and I'm going to be implementing a lot of strategies in a couple of months, following a couple of months. But this is what I want to show you. Here is actually seasonal overlay portfolio, and that's, for example, for you, that's the different strategies. This is a gold seasonal strategy from January, April, and I'm trading futures, and win rate 100%. It is insane. Drawdown, max drawdown 20%. CAGs is 7.9%. It is insane. Then in July, where's it going to be another futures? I have no idea what is the futures contract is. I think it stands for, I do not know. Like, I'm not so good with futures, but it doesn't really matter. AI is going to be doing that. It's literally, AI is really suggesting everything. AI is writing the code. AI is improving it and doing it again and again and again and again. So as you see here, this is my base strategy, which is phase 6 variant AD. Yeah, I've tested a lot of variants of my strategy. And the return of my main strategy, annual returns, is 45%, which is very good returns. Then I had a hedging strategy, which is not bad for hedging in a bear market, but I'm still thinking whether I'm going to use it or not. The gold seasonal I definitely going to add, and this one I definitely going to add. When it comes to Bitcoin, I'm still have concerns. I mean, it's kind of nice strategy though, and it has a lot of capital. But I think I'm still gonna be using it, but I'm gonna be investigating more. So anyway, long story short, the objective of this video, if you're using TradingView and you're not happy with your results, or you want to improve your results, you need to rethink. And for the people like you are, I'm going to be opening the community. We're going to be teaching how to use AI to optimize your trading strategy, how to use AI to get more returns from the market, how to use AI to automate your entire trading machine, which is going to be pretty much doing all the research, all the analysis, all the feedback, all the execution for you on autopilot. If this is something you would like to learn, feel free to learn more about my community. I'm going to drop the link in the comment section down below. Feel free to read it.